Okay, so this is a quick explanation of how the brake lights work at the cab in a square body Chevy truck. If you are trying to understand the vantage point of where we're looking at, this right here, this goes to the actual brake pedal, and this is a bracket that sits on that pedal. This right here is a little spring-loaded button, and this is actually what controls your brake lights. So when you press your brake pedal down, it lets that little button out on the end, and then when you release your brake pedal, it pushes it back in. When the button is let out, that's actually what tells your brake lights to turn on, and when it's pushed back in, that's what shuts your brake lights off. It's a pretty simple switch. If you ever have any issues with your brake lights, either not turning on or staying off for too long, a good place to check first is this little button right here, and make sure that the spring lever action in it is still working. You know, if your brake lights are staying off, that could very well mean that the spring inside of that button has failed. Or if your brake lights are staying on, it could just mean that this bracket right here is a little too loose and it, has disconnected or something like that. And the easiest way to fix that is to tighten up this bolt in that nut right there and just tighten that down and make sure that the bracket sits there. You can see that little black dot on the bracket of the brake pedal. That's where that little plastic button hits.
This is a K20 that has a manual transmission, so it does have a clutch pedal. But this is the emergency brake pedal. This is the clutch pedal. If you have an automatic transmission in your truck, you will not have this. Brake pedal, gas. Look at your brake pedal right here. Trace it up, and the button that was just explained is actually just touching this this arm right up here, a little bit underneath the dash. That's all I've got. Thanks for watching.